Hello, it's me again. Welcome back to another, as you can probably guess, Universal Yums video. Willa and Deidre are learning sign language, so they signed my intro, which is super cool. I don't know if this is, oh, yeah, okay. I'm gonna subtitle that. I'm not gonna say it out loud. We're just gonna get right in. Stop it.
Sorry.
As you might remember from last month, if you watched last month's video, which I will link. Okay, it's this side. We'll link it up here, the video from last month. It's probably Italy this month, so we're gonna get right in.
Oh, it's Italy!
Right. What a surprise! Okay, so we've got a big welcome to Italy package. It's got the thing on it that Ukraine had last month, the tracking thing about whether or not you like the snacks. I didn't do it last month, so maybe I'll do it this time.
Bologna.
I'm gonna cut all of this out. Welcome to Italy!
Bologna!
From now on, you guys aren't allowed to say anything you can't also sign.
What? We could just make up the signs because you don't know sign language. You could be like, this is Bologna! I just spelled it, so
Okay, whatever. Whatever. We're gonna get into the snacks.
Really good.
This was a terrible idea.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, we're gonna start off with this bag of lemon chips.
Gross. I'm sorry, just
So yeah, it's like a bag of potato chips
lemon
that looks like it's lemon flavored.
I'm excited.
So I don't know if that means it's gonna be like the lime Doritos or if it's gonna be like a sweet thing. Let me see what it says in our
handy dandy notebook.
Amica lemon chips. Lemons are a favorite fruit in Italy's culinary scene, and they make a lot more than lemonade with them. Okay, so then it's just talking about lemons.
What if they're like the chips? Do you remember the lime ones that Bubba used to get that were awful?
Yeah, lime Doritos.
The lemon stealer.
Don't. That smells weird.
It smells like chemicals and lemons. I've been enlightened.
Kind of, yes. Let's all take a lemon chip. All right. Actually, not that flavorful.
That's actually really good. I don't like flavor.
Yeah, no, it's just kind of a plain chip. It's got like a little bit of a sour at the first bite, and then it goes away. It's not even, they're not even salty. So it's just kind of like a plain chip with a thing on it. I'm gonna take one more just to see.
Chew with your mouth closed. It's not that bad. Stop it. You're disgusting.
I don't know. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Not as weird as it smells for sure.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't smell appetizing. When I smell things and they're sour, I'm like, that's gone bad. So when you smell it, it's like, oh, jeez.
Yeah, it almost smells like it's gone off, but it does not
taste
taste that intense.
Let's
go with some wafers.
That looks like Nutella because it has hazelnuts.
Shut your mouth.
Sorry.
Cabrioni, wafers, nocciola. They look like this.
Is that Arabic?
There you go. That is some form of Middle Eastern language. Yes, it's got a bunch of languages on the back with the ingredients, and one of them is Arabic or Hindi or something like that. So let's open these cookies up.
Those look like the wafer cookies you can get, only looks like Nutella. Hi, Mom.
We have a Mum. She has come.
She has risen.
Mum, try the lemon chips.
You like them? They're good.
Lemon chips?
Ah, don't break the suitcase. Smell weird. Yeah, don't smell them. She smelled them.
It smells like salt and vinegar. Doesn't taste like salt and vinegar.
I'll take.
You can't have. Yes, you can.
I punched it a little.
Okay.
Yeah, they're just
kind of flavorless.
No, they have more smell than flavor.
Yes. And hazelnut wafers.
That's what I thought.
Is this Italy?
Mmm. The wafer. Good. Good.
They're very Italian motion too.
I would do this, but this is just F in sign language, so like.
Yeah, I do this a lot when I'm mad. I'll be like,
That's what I do, and I'm like, nice.
It also means okay.
It means okay.
Yeah, it means okay, but I've started. This is when I'm like, yeah.
That's really funny.
Don't make that motion
Mom.
at me.
Mom. PG-10. This is my room. You're grounded. You're just rowing a boat. You did it wrong.
I don't think it's
Still
that
doing it wrong.
violent.
It is. Well, I mean, well, if you're insulting someone and calling them a canoe, yeah, it's gotta be violent. No, you like this. Pull it out. You don't go like.
I'm just
No, just
doing
like
canoe, not the rest of it.
Anyways,
The wafers are nice.
they're good wafers.
The wafers are rather flavorless of their own, but it's got like Nutella in the middle, so it's good.
That looks good. Looks like rosemary.
Well, we'll do it next time.
Oh look, it says rosemary now.
Okay, so the next thing that we have is like a rosemary cracker. Rosemary is easily my favorite herb. Herb. That way sounds so stupid.
Herb. That's how I used to say it. Herb.
Okay, so it says Stuzicina Toscana al Rosmarino. Let's see if it says what that means, other than just rosemary.
Big cracker.
Big cracker. Grand Art Rosemary Stuzicina Toscana. That is.
A food.
So what I'm taking from this is that Stuzicina Toscana aren't real words, and they've made it up for this product.
It's
If
like
it can't be
linguine.
translated, it's been made up. But linguine is like,
It's the same in both languages.
I guess, but it's that we don't have a word for linguine because we just.
Adapted. English
We
is
just
just a
stole
bunch
it.
of languages.
need to adapt whatever this is.
But I don't know what it is.
Good.
But I
It's
love
not
rosemary. This looks like
Oh.
so. It looks like a small
It looks
little
like Cheez-Its.
cookie. It's not gonna taste like cheese.
It looks like
I know, but they
you
look
know
like
those like
Cheez-Its.
poofy things that like have spinach in them that you bake in the
Spanakopita?
oven. Spanakopita. It looks like spanakopita. If that's Greek.
It's crunchy.
Very
rosemary.
garlicky.
Mm-hmm. Really good. Those are actually super yummy.
Mm-hmm. I don't mind it. I'm not big on croutons so.
It's not as bad as the like Russian ones though. This is more of just like a little.
packaging. Just dumps them in your mouth.
Dietrich's Google translating it.
Yeah, it's just
Yeah,
made
it's
up word.
just a made up word. That's good.
That's good. There was a pause. I had to fill it in with some words. What'd you do?
You
I
know
like
what she did.
jazz. She likes jazz. I like jazz.
They won't stop signing I like jazz.
I like jazz.
I'm gonna just put bees in front of your faces for the whole video.
I'm okay with that.
Don't.
Benson. Barry B. Benson.
Don't be okay with that. I hate you. Okay, the next thing we have is Fratelli.
Fratelli.
Thank you. All'arancia.
All'arancia?
Chia.
Chia. All'arancia.
Orange cookies.
Yeah, I like orange cookies.
So it's in a little bag like this.
Are they orange in color or orange flavored?
I imagine orange flavored.
Mm.
And it's kind of the same look to them. They're like a
Those ones
cookie.
look
Although
like
these ones
biscuit.
look more like a cookie, the other ones look more like a cracker. But it's like the flat bottom round
Oh,
top.
they smell good. They smell like digestive cookies.
Oh, those are really good.
I expected it to taste like garlic because of last one for some reason. Surprised me. It's good.
It's so weird.
It's good.
Oh, really good. Not quite as dry too. It's definitely more of a cookie feel.
Mm.
I'm gonna eat the rest of those later.
Mm.
Okay, so we've got two of something similar.
I call
It says cantuccino biscotti. So biscotto alla mandorla tipico di Toscana. So they come in like these little things. It's got a landscape in the back and like a tea cup. There's two of them. So it looks like they're biscotti to eat with tea. Unfortunately, we do not have tea right now. Willa called one.
Yeah,
What?
thank you. She did when?
She did a second ago.
I wasn't listening.
I'll cut mine in half with you.
Thank you. Biscotti is my favorite thing to ever exist.
I love biscotti. It's too expensive though, so I rarely have any. I get the part with the nut in it.
Tough.
Oh yeah.
No.
Do you mind if I
Can I?
bite half? No.
I think Will broke a tooth, but yeah, you know I was laughing at the nut.
Okay, so yeah, it's like the hard cookie. It's a biscotti.
It's good.
That's really good. Oh my god. I almost wish I hadn't eaten it for camera so I could have had it with tea.
Good.
Good. Well, eat it faster.
I put it all in my mouth at once, though.
Is that the same thing?
I'm not as tough a nut as
We
you.
got biscottis, but not a lot of them. Okay, so we got another bag of goodies here. Let's see what all we have.
The these ones are Monardo Gianduccio
No.
chocolates.
Monardo Gianduccio, a special type of chocolate originally produced in northern Italy in a town called Turin. Cool.
Interesting.
So there's 2 of those.
I call it because Willa got the biscotti.
You also got biscotti.
I'll split it with her. Don't worry, I will. I will.
Oh, it's really soft. It's
I
in like
can't.
a triangle
There you
thingy.
go, I got it. I can open it for you, Deidre. No, you can't.
Really soft.
Oh,
Like
it's so
it's
soft.
already. I don't know if it's just melted, but it's.
That's about half of it, Deidre. How do you want? So good. Deidre.
She's not gonna share. Have
No,
you gotten
please.
this through your head?
It's so good. I feel blessed. You will after you eat that. It's so good. It is really good.
It is really good. It's like a hazelnut.
It's
kind
like
of
a
flavor
Ferrero
to it.
Rocher, but softer.
Like the inside of Ferrero Rocher. They're from Italy too.
Mhm.
You can tell because they're called Ferrero Rocher.
You don't need to do that, and I would like you to stop.
I'm sure you would. Okay. So next we have Monardo chocolate pralines. So it must be
Ooh.
from the same company. What are you doing?
She just thinks everything's funny.
Does it say what flavors are? Because we've got 2 different colors. Oh. There's different types. There's coconut, milk and cereal, berries, hazelnut cream, hazelnut, and coffee. So the ones that we have is berries and milk.
May I try berries?
No.
Because Deidre just had the entire last chocolate. No, I
So
didn't.
they
I
come in
gave you
these
some.
cute little thingies like that.
Bonbons.
Come on.
Mom, would you like the milk one?
Okay.
Sometimes you hurt my feelings.
Sometimes.
You don't care. Just kidding. That's all the time. Simmer down, Sally.
It's white in the middle.
Yeah, it's got a
Yippee kayak, other
flavor
buckets.
in the middle. I hate everything about this.
Have you not seen the episode of Brooklyn Nine?
I have.
Okay, good. That's my life motto. Yippee kayak, other buckets.
Willa.
Oh, thank you. Mom! Thanks,
We have
Sia.
favorites.
I don't actually like berries. Can you take that back?
No?
I don't know what you just said. I was like, no!
I was trying to say none, but then I was like, that doesn't make sense in context, so I accidentally tried to change it to no one, which makes less sense in context. You don't like any berries?
I do. I don't like berry flavored things.
Okay.
No. I was like, you good? No. No. This video only every time someone says jazz in sign language it gets
I hate everything about this. The last candy for today is anise candy.
Oh, less licorice.
Yeah, it's going to be licorice.
You like licorice?
I hate licorice.
I love licorice.
When you're eating this candy, you're eating the same thing that the Romans used to eat, all the way back in 23 AD. Well, maybe not the exact same thing.
They actually just ate the wrappers.
There's 4 of them, so we can all have
So
some.
you hate licorice.
I hate licorice, but that was the rule for
I
coming
guess.
on this, was you have to try it
Unless you're allergic.
unless you're really allergic to it.
So. Wait, we have to put it in my mouth at the same
I
time.
hate licorice as well.
Wait. I got chalk in my mouth still. deux, trois. Un, deux, trois.
It's not really licoricey.
Okay, the Romans, they had something going, but they didn't do it well.
The candies at Romeo's were better.
Good job, Julius Caesar.
The licorice
Oh,
candies at
yeah.
Romeo's.
Okay.
What?
I get there's something in your mouth, but you don't need to rub it against your teeth.
But it feels good.
No, it doesn't. Oh, it's
Thank
more
you.
licoricey. The longer it's in your mouth, the more it is.
The longer the worse.
The longer the worse.
I like it.
I'm glad.
You
Mom
want
likes
mine?
it.
No.
I like mine.
It's been licked.
You're nasty.
I'm gonna spit this out now.
Ew. Is the box empty? Yeah. Oh, thank goodness. I thought you were spitting it onto the other candy. I wouldn't be surprised.
No, remember we've been trying to eat the heart candy last.
Right. And we succeeded.
We succeeded.
Logistically, it doesn't work.
Good food, Italy. Although I hate all licorice, no matter where country it comes from. Even if it's Roman. Well, that's a weird thing about Romans. Shut up. She really likes them. Old people. Ancient people.
Willa loves old people.
She loves whenever she sees them, she's like, old people person.
It's like when normal people see dogs, but it's Willa and old people.
She runs up to them, she's like, can I pet you?
Can I pet your grandma?
Can I pet your grandma? Is your grandma friendly? Oh, God.
She doesn't bite, does she?
Mom? PG-10. Don't you happen to do that?
I think it's time to leave. Thank you guys so much for watching, tuning in once again, once a month for this thing. Why don't we get on to the clue to next month's box before I literally stab my sisters in the eyes?
No,
I'd
before I
love
do
to,
it to
so-
myself.
Okay, so here we go. You can ride a camel in the desert, or you can float in the sea. You can pray in a church, mosque, or synagogue, whichever strikes your fancy. Oh, and how could we forget? You can also eat, and eat. Next month, peanut puffs, halva, and a bread that's super sweet.
Egypt?
No.
Israel.
Israel? That's what I said first, so... Israel? Egypt?
I'm gonna have to cut that because you blew out the speakers.
One more second. Oh, it's Israel? Is you real?
I'm gonna cut that because it's a bad joke.
Bye-bye. This is fine.
Bye.
Sign language.
Okay. Thank you guys again. I will see you next week. Goodbye!
That's hello in sign language.
Baby, that's low.
Okay.